If you have been adjusted before by a chiropractor, you may have noticed a popping sound that may seem a little strange. There have been all sorts of theories about what the popping sound really is. Some have thought the sound was caused by tendons snapping over a joint, or a bone being put back into place, or the snapping of adhesions or scar tissue. Recently, there was a really cool study done that actually looked at what was happening in a joint when there was popping sounds. The researchers of this study used video magnetic resonance imaging to study what happened in a person's finger joint when they pulled his finger until his knuckle made the popping sound. So they used a cable attached to his finger and slowly pulled his finger until it cracked, while recording this with video MRI. They also measured the space between the joint surfaces before and after the crack using automatic computer software. What they found was that the joints remained very close together during the early stages of the finger being pulled. And then when the force of the pull was strong enough, the joint would very quickly separate and a bubble would form. And this was when the popping sound was heard. This means that the popping sound you hear when a chiropractor adjusts you is simply a change in state between liquid and gas within a joint.